Power on the machine and wait for the machine to self-test. After the self-test is complete, we open the engraver software. Click on Not Connected in the upper right corner. If the device list keeps failing to scan for devices, then you need to open the settings. Find Engraving Machine software. Turn on the Bluetooth permissions for the software. Once permissions are turned on, go back to Bluetooth settings. Turn on Bluetooth and wait for the machine to be found. Enter the password. After pairing, disconnection is required. After disconnecting, open the engraving software. Click Not Connected again in the upper right corner. Click on the device to connect. The device can be connected for engraving tests. Take the object to be engraved and place it under the machine. Input fonts. Here you can change the size of the text. Possibility to adjust the engraving position. Click the button below to preview the engraving position. The machine automatically previews the engraving position. Click Next, the interface to select the power and speed of the engraving machine. Selecting the right power and speed. Click to start carving. Waiting for the machine to finish engraving. Let's check out the engraving.